Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money using the NatWest app. First, log in to your NatWest mobile app and select the account you want to transfer money from. Next, tap Payments or Make a Transfer. If you're sending money to someone already in your contacts, choose them from the list. If not, tap Select Payee or add new payee and enter their name, account number, and sort code. Once the payee is selected, enter the amount you want to send. You can choose to send it now or schedule it for later. Before confirming, review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Make Payment to complete the transfer. And that's it! You've successfully transferred money using the NatWest app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.